Researchers at Leeds University, led by Professor Jens Krause, performed a series of experiments where volunteers were told to randomly walk around a large hall without talking to each other. A select few were then given more detailed instructions on where to walk. The scientists discovered that people end up blindly following one or two people who appear to know where they're going. The published results showed that it only takes 5% of what the scientists called informed individuals to influence the direction of a crowd of around 200 people. The remaining 95% follow without even realizing it. I think, therefore, that we are herd animals for sure. That's why we are so predictable. That's why big corporate businesses can make billions upon billions of dollars selling the same stuff over and over again. Yet many of us are unaware of this. Plugged into the matrix, as we called it. Once you see what is really going on, you can never go back. We actually live in a band of frequencies. The human body is a biological computer which processes information. DNA is the receiver, transmitter of information. Are they now trying to manipulate our DNA by using mRNA? Computers made from human cells could tell when you were sick. Scientists have created the world's most complex biological computer. Engineered cells that could be implanted into the body to detect diseases and deliver treatments. Computer may commonly mean an electronic device that processes a lot of complex information. But it's worth remembering that the etymology of the word stems from the mid-17th century. Originally, it simply meant one who calculates, with no electronics required. This little bit of history lends itself neatly to a peek into the future of computing. As first spotted by new scientists, a team from ETH Zurich and the University of Basel, are making headways on constructing biocomputers, those made from living cells. And a new paper in Nature Methods contains information on their most advanced system to date. What the body is doing is just like a desktop computer, but of course in a much more advanced way. Decoding information fields just like a computer decodes the information in a Wi-Fi field onto a reality, onto the screen. So we are decoding this cosmic Wi-Fi, if you like, into a reality on our screen, which exists in the brain. The reason why we only decode that narrow band of visual reality, called visible light, is because that is what the biological computer is designed to decode. Therefore, if you put your desktop computer onto the internet, it has confines that it can decode. It can only decode the internet. It can't decode beyond the internet. so the body is the same. It can't decode beyond the virtual reality. Therefore, we think that this world is all there is. We are actually living in the Matrix. The Matrix was symbolized as a computer simulation that is hooked into our brains with wires and computer code. The real Matrix consists of the program that we follow every day when we live our lives. The real Matrix is created through the media and through our programmed interactions with our jobs and with each other. To break free of the real Matrix, one must operate not on logic, but on will. Do what you will, because the only things that stand in our way or in your way are only in your way because you believe they are. Do, believe and feel as you want to, not as you are told. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.